Hey guys, Mozzie here. In order to customize this template according to your needs, you have to import your logo and change your text. So in order to change the logo, you double click into the project tab, browse where your logo is, and import your logo. Alright, so in order to change the logo in here, you go into the edit holders folder, open the logo holder composition, double click it, and here you can drag and drop your logo, hit S to scale it, then you can adjust it. That's okay. Alright, for the older logo you can just delete it. Alright, for the text you go into the text folder composition, double click. As you can see, this is an animation to it, so if you like it, just double click to edit, then you can type whatever you wish. Alright, and for the main render, double click into the main render composition and you will see it's all updated. Alright, so in order for the colors, go into the select the controls layer, go into the effect controls. If this doesn't pop up, just press F3. Alright, so here you have the colors, you have the ambient smoke, and you will see this one. Alright, ambient particle. Alright, looks good. You have the flare 1 and 2 and 3. It's gonna be these ones. I'm gonna go about this. Alright, flare 2 and same color. Alright, you can see the flare is affecting the helicopter. Alright, you also have the trails 1, 2 and 3. Green. Alright, trail 2 green, and trail 3 another green. Alright, looks good so far. And for the logo texture, it's gonna be this. You can change the texture. Alright, and also you have the logo particles. You can also change them. Alright, looks good. That's about it. To render, go into the select the main render composition, go into the composition, add to render queue. Here you can choose your format, H264 for it's usually okay, and don't forget to check out the output. If you wish to have the sound effects, click OK. Here you choose where to save it and then hit render. Thanks for watching.